How to delete Garena account. So if you want to delete Garena account, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. After opening your browser, what you need to do is simply submit a report. For that, you need to just simply go with your Garena's official website. So search for Garena and then go with www.garena.sg, and then it will take you to this kind of interface. While you're on this page, you need to just simply go with support, which will be at the top right, and you want to select what account. Since you're going with the Garena account, you need to go and select the Garena account. Go ahead and type in your email address associated with your Garena account and make sure that the information that you provided is valid, to which you want to go ahead and type in your username, like your Garena account username, and then your Garena account user ID, and games that are linked to your Garena account. After that, under the description, go ahead and type, "Dear team, my account has been hacked," or you could just mention the issue that has made you delete your account. Now I've mentioned that it has been hacked, and which is an issue with my account, due to which I've decided to permanently delete my account, and above mentioned information are correct, and this is my personal ID. So likewise, if you have a photo or a screenshot, you can go ahead and upload it by tapping on the photo options right here, and then scroll down and then go with your Garena account issue, go and select Garena account deletion, and then add some attachments if you want to, and go with submit. That's how you can delete your Garena account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.